Stay, I'm leaving. Far too cold, I'm just frigid freezing. Fuck these girls for no fucking reason. Fuck the world, I don't need no reason. C-class Benz on the highway speeding, eyes bleeding. I'ma see just leaning. I'ma got gal in the back saying no, said I'm doing, I'm squeezing. They see cool, said I'm doing, I'm sneezing. No, said them bulls, said I'm doing, I'm teasing. More for drink, but I don't do leaning. That shit give me an awful feeling. Rather be smoking weed and wheezing. Just food and sex and sleeping. I'm in the one beer, bad news, but your girlfriend cheating. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the 400, quick, believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the tool and come. So far you see the face I hear the voice now, you don't know, say a Cogency, pon the Cogency Rocks channel. And today, we have CGM, TY, and Splasha in the cold room with Tweeko. You understand? Tweeko been going on with the cold room them. He might try, well no, let me not say he's trying to do another plugin. He has his own thing, but you know, any platform that let artists showcase them talent, I gotta get compared to the platforms before. Like how Plugged In get compared to Mad About Bars and all them something there. But Tweeko go and go do them something, so big up Tweeko. So, I don't want to waste too much time to jump into this shit, man. I don't really have much to say before it anyway. I don't hear any previews, I don't hear anything before. I just want to jump into it. So click my gaming channel, music channel, Instagram. You know what I'm saying? Support me on all of those. And like, share, comment, and subscribe. And let's jump into this shit, man. Leave a comment on this video as well, please. Aye.
I swing this blade and it's more than attempted. Shit can get hot in a second. My way you step and watch where you're repping. Straight red top with Chicago boots. Lace my hands up, plan my thoughts. I see
This beat sounds sick. It sounds cold.
My way you step and watch where you're repping. Shit can get hot in a second. You can get yourself shot in a second. If not, it's a chef. Where I'm from, P Block, West 11, fuck around, you can get your ass dropped off to heaven. I'm the man with the drugs like a chemist, straight 10 out of 10 cats know where to get it.
Bro, if he raps this fast, how am I supposed to hear him, bro? If you would have can I understand him? TY, Splasha. I'm gonna need it for calm down like a bit, you know, dog. Just slow down like a bit, now my youth bumbuckler, dog. I joke, but yo, I really didn't hear what he said, but let me go again.
You know, it
sounds cold.
My way you step and watch where you're repping. Shit can get hot in a second. You can get yourself shot in a second. If not, it's a chef. Where I'm from, P Block, West 11, fuck around, you can get your ass dropped off to heaven. I'm the man with the drugs like a chemist, straight 10 out of 10 cats know where to get it. If you're in it for life, throw up your set. You ain't gotta tell me, I know that they're wet. Three kids, that's my code to the death. Full of mind you the time, they don't fall up for feds. I don't rap too much, check my rap sheet. I don't run through the wall like a stampede. I can tell you all about phones, grab and filling up guns in my nan's piece. It's not just me who's a bad breed, I come from a toxic family. 2 sweets and the dots, no candy.
What? What's about toxic family?
My nan's piece. It's not just me who's a bad breed, I come from a toxic family.
Man says it's not just me who's a bad breed, I come from a toxic family. Bro, that's true, you know, most of these guys, bro, them older brother on road, them father was on road, uncle on road, cousin on road. A lot of them is not the first person in them family to be on the road. The other side is just a family tradition thing. But yo, I feel like pull up this shit again, dog. Sorry, if you're vexing me, bro, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. It's just at the start when he was saying that fast shit, you know what I'm saying?
Where you're repping. My way you step and watch where you're repping. Shit can get hot in a second. You can get yourself shot in a second.
Bow.
If not, it's a chef. Where I'm from, P Block, West 11, fuck around, you can get your ass dropped off to heaven. I'm the man with the drugs like a chemist, straight 10 out of 10 cats know where to get it. If you're in it for life, throw up your set. You ain't gotta tell me, I know that they're wet. Three kids, that's my code to the death. Full of mind you the time, they don't fall up for feds. I don't rap too much, check my rap sheet. I don't run through the wall like a stampede. I can tell you all about phones, grab and filling up guns in my nan's piece. It's not just me who's a bad breed, I come from a toxic family. 2 sweets and the dots, no candy, make your head rock like the Flintstones family. I'm being as real as I can be reason.
Make your head what?
2 sweets and the dots, no candy, make your head rock like the Flintstones family. I'm being as real as I can be reason. The fakes and the jakes can't stand me. And I know that the ops can't stand me, but them weapons get drawn like Stanley.
Weapons get drawn like Stan Lee. Stan Lee is the guy that, you know, the superhero guy. Weapons get drawn. Weapons get drawn. Bro, I thought these guys were, you know what I'm saying, murderers. Fucking savages. These guys are fucking Shakespeare, bro. They're magnifique. I don't even know. Shakespeare as well. What, English or something? I mean, I say magnifique. Fuck you, nigga. I don't give a fuck. Nigga, suck my dick.
Stand me. And I know that the ops can't stand me, but them weapons get drawn like Stanley.
If I swing this blade, then it's more than attempted. Brother, my rams, man, swept it and kept it. I make sure the rams gets disinfected. I won't tolerate being disrespected. Never know what man, I might swing my hand, slash up unexpected. Oscar Batman had the high road hectic. Ring on my finger so you know I'm protected. Don't talk about bait or my stabbers will bait.
Man say ring on my finger, say no, I'm protected. Someone get up, get up, get up, get up. Get up, get up. Ring from my middle finger, it charge up. And the thing that the one that come, get up, get up, get up. Listen, if you don't know about Jamaican music and Jamaican culture, bro, we have this thing called a guard ring, where the man them that's doing the crime and doing the dirt, they go to be a worker, or you know, you guys call it the judge. You know what I'm saying? The magic, you understand? The magic man. And then he put some powers into the ring, and the power is supposed to protect you, bro. You understand? So that's what it is. You understand? I don't know about that still, but that's what's going on. So that's why I'm saying him have the ring and him feel protected. Come get up, get up, get up. Go and look it up, bro. Look up Guard Up, bro. Jamaican gathering. I don't know. Let's look it up.
Expected. Oscar Batman had the high road hectic. Ring on my finger so you know I'm protected. Don't talk about bait or my stabbers will bait. Cause the busters do so window shifting. Fall back when my head gets hot. Cause my head gets hot. There ain't no prevention. Slap 2 bells and push up the barrel and click that safety and rise that tension. Turn and twist when I back my flicks. I push that in. Have the upward trembling. Side by side got the whole car full. Don't get hit from a distance. Straight red top, no Chicago Bulls. Lace my hands, I plan my thoughts. I see my slip trip.
What Chicago Bulls? What?
Hit from a distance. Straight red top, no Chicago Bulls. Lace my hands, I plan my.
Oh, what your top go red like Chicago Bulls? Oh my God! What? So like somebody I called me like, oh sorry, bless. Anyway, Chicago Bulls. Yeah, that's mad.
Fool. Don't get hit from a distance. Straight red top, no Chicago Bulls. Lace my hands, I plan my thoughts. I see my slip trip up, get bored. But find that a man that fuck with fucks for the ops. So I cut that cord. Don't get in my way if I bust that fools.
Grab the coat, fling it in, work my wrist. This ain't gym. Free criminal got grabbed with a spin. That's a wrist, but the
Man said this ain't gym, but we know you like gym, bro. Look at these niggas. Look at this nigga's arms, bro.
But find that a man that fuck with fucks for the ops. So I cut that cord. Don't get in my way if I bust that fools.
Grab the coat, fling it in, work my wrist. This ain't gym. Free criminal got grabbed with a spin. That's a wrist, but the man them still caught things. Striker down, splash them fools. Digger down, press them tools. I know say we're bigger than this thing, but the gang been bad from small. The man don't step like their foot's been broke. Eye on the blinds while I cook this up. I'm a chef in the kitchen, chef in the streets, and my right hand's good with guns. Got a brown one, free ball tongue, but she know I ain't releasing funds. In the sheet, she a freaky one. Not my bitch, just a link, she a sneaky one.
Hot nigga like Bobby.
No. I have to hear that flow from Splasha again, man. Hand up, man. In. Work my wrist. This ain't gym. From the man, they mute. Splasha is getting different today, bro.
Box for the ops, I cut that cord. Don't get in my way if I bust that fools.
Grab the coat, fling it in, work my wrist. This ain't gym. Free criminal got grabbed with a spin. That's a wrist, but the man them still caught things. Striker down, splash them fools.
Man say it don't even matter that my friend got nicked to the WAP fam, because we still have to keep buying guns for the war, bro. So we have to find a new way to get these ups. It's a risk, but the man them still buy things. It's crazy.
Free criminal got grabbed with a spin. That's a wrist, but the man them still caught things. Striker down, splash them fools. Digger down, press them tools. I know say we're bigger than this thing, but the gang been bad from small. The man don't step like their foot's been broke. Eye on the blinds while I cook this up. I'm a chef in the kitchen, chef in the streets, and my right hand's good with guns. Got a brown one, free ball tongue, but she know I ain't releasing funds. In the sheet, she a freaky one. Not my bitch, just a link, she a sneaky one.
Hot nigga like Bobby, I'm a rebel like Rowdy. 4 O's in a whip, no Audi. His heart ain't in it, don't bring him up.
4 O's in the whip, no Audi. Did I hear that before? But I'm not sure, you know, bro, but that's fucking sick. 4 O's in the whip, no Audi. Man.
Hot nigga like Bobby, I'm a rebel like Rowdy.
Hot boy like Bobby, I'm a rebel like Rowdy. 4 O's in the car, no Audi. Nah, these are 10 out of 10, bro. I'm sorry.
Freaky one, not my bitch, just a link, she a sneaky one.
Hot nigga like Bobby, I'm a rebel like Rowdy. 4 O's in a whip, no Audi. His heart ain't in it, don't bring him around me. Magnum sipping, she thinking my alky. Soft in a pot, got a water cloudy. 110 on the end, got me drowsy. Bro, got 4.5 for that reload. Cause I judge that spot was a count. Drillings on drillings, you know that step right. Hold on, who's.
Wait, what?
and a half of that reload. Could I judge that spot was accounting? Drills on drills, you know that step right. Hold on, who's that switch off the headlights? Lean out the window, let that tech crash. Teeth in this Rambo sharp, he'll rip through skin, don't care about hench guys. Last time took that on a test drive, turbo tech time, he just bust red lights. I'm uptown doing crab and french fries.
Ooh, don't care about hench guys. Meanwhile, Splasha is behind him like the henchest guy in the fucking world. Watch Tears. So I guess Tears not really business about be the artist anymore. Tears is just like, yo, gang thing, man. I make my money on the roads, man. Yeah, man, you know me, man. Tears MB, whatever. Anyway, man. But yo, as I said, this I forget a 10 out of 10. Because of Splasha flow, and then because of what TY just said at the end. 10 out of 10, nah, 9 out of 10. I'll give it a 9 out of 10. Let me hear the beat again. What was the beat sounding?
I'm uptown doing crab and french fries.
Hold on.
Counting drills on drills, you know that step right. Hold on, who's that switch off the headlights? Lean out the window, let that tech crash. Teeth in this Rambo sharp, he'll rip through skin, don't care about hench guys. Last time took that on a test drive, turbo tech time, he just bust red lights. I'm uptown doing crab and french fries.
Yeah, so the beat, yeah, is a 9 out of 10, 8.5 or 9 out of 10. You understand? Flows and bars from TY and Splasha the whole way through, and the beat was decent. You understand? Who produced the beat? Produced by Linguini and Elevate. You understand? So big up Linguini and Elevate. You see me? But you don't know. Yeah, this was 6 still, 8.5, 9 out of 10. CJM, TY, Splasha, The Cold Room of Tweeko, Season 1, Episode 7, up on Mixtape Madness. Big up everybody involved. Big up you if you made it to this part of the video. If you made it here, timestamp it. Tell me what time it is. Tell me what you like. Tell me what you don't like. Tell me what you want to see. What you don't want to see. Tell me how your day's been. Tell me anything, man. Talk to me, bro, and I'll talk to you. Don't know. Cogency on the Cogency Reacts channel, you bro. Watch us sweat, yeah? Hey, let me smell it. Smell good. Hey, shit. Smell good. Anyway, Cogency on the Cogency Reacts channel. I'm out this motherfucker, man. Peace.
Yeah. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the 400 quick, believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the toll and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring the pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get round